Alright, you guys, here it is. This is the rebuild kit for my R154. Synchros, you got bearings, you got everything you need to do a nice refresh on an R154. You got the gasket thing. I don't think I'm going to use that, but anyway, I got the kit right here. Got all synchros, all the new stuff that needs to be replaced. I'm going to replace everything, even like third, fourth, and fifth. Like everything's going to be replaced because while it's out, might as well refresh everything, make it look nice, and make it durable and just how it should be, because it needs to be durable for this freaking 400 horsepower 240. So there it is. But today is the last day of drifting at OSW for the. I look like a freaking ghost. Hang on. Okay, no more ghosts. So today is January. It's not January. Today is December 29th. Yes, 29th. 29th, and today is the last event of the year at OSW. As you guys know, first, second gear is not working. That's why I have the rebuild kit right there, and I have not been driving. But I have nothing to do tonight. I'm bored as hell. It's a gloomy freaking Saturday in Florida, and I am going nuts sitting at home. I need some content for you guys, and I have to set up the GoPro so I can get some really cool angles and stuff like that for the oval, make it really cool and entertaining, because the oval is a blast. It just kills tires. So I have like 2 laps left on the set of tires I have. I have some really grippy tires in there. I have 2 of the tires that Cam's gonna give me nicely, and he's gonna give, and then I think John's gonna let me use the set of tires that he has. So yeah, it's gonna be a bunch of fun. And I know for me, it's gonna be really annoying, you know, being there, having my car there, and not being able to tandem on the skid pad. It's gonna be frustrating, but I know it's the last event of the year, and I have plenty more events coming for 2019, and I'm gonna have this training rebuilt like the week after. So it'll be fine. I'll be alright. And also, it'll be just a bunch of fun, and it'll be something for me to do and go tandem and have some fun. But again, the oval kills tires, so I'm gonna try and get as many tires as I can out there. Yeah, so I'm gonna load the 240 up with tires, tools, jack, etc., all the stuff needed to go drift, and then I'm gonna drive to Cam's house, and Cam's gonna nicely trailer me there. We're gonna use my trailer, but my truck's still over here broken. I'm gonna fix it. I promise I'm gonna fix it in like 2 weeks or less. I'm gonna do it. I promise. I have to do it. I'm going nuts. I've just been working and stacking up money just so I can just get to a point where I can just be chilled and reliable, and I'm chilling and I'm having fun and I'm getting less stress, and yeah, it's gonna be fine. I'll fix the truck soon. 240, the parts are here. I just gotta do it. I haven't had much time. Work's been everywhere. Personal shit's been happening. I've just been everywhere. But we're gonna go drift today. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and I'm excited to do 1JZ boosty thingy angle grip smoke stuff. So here we go. Alright, car's loaded up. That was a lot of work. I forgot how annoying it is to fit all these stuff in a freaking 240 hatch, or I'll just put it in the truck and drive my truck and trailer. But no, it's broken. It's okay. I'll fix it soon. But now it's time to head to Cam's house, load the car up, go get some tires mounted, and then it'll be good. Always sounds good. Got all reliable, 300K coming. Got me, I'm borrowing Cam's drift spares, and then you got some Hand Cook 265 Ventus Evo 2s that should be kind of grippy, but sweet, free tires. All right, so the tire guys I go to called Tire Connection in Mineola, for some reason we're closed at, what time is it, 4 o'clock on a Saturday? I don't know why they were closed, that kind of sucks. But luckily, came to Discount Tire in Claremont, and they were nice enough to mount them really quick for the same price almost. So we're good. Now I got 6 tires for tonight to drive on. So that'll probably go by really fast, knowing that the oval is terrible on tires, but screw it. I'll go have some fun. Damn, that car looks so good, bro. God, it looks like a proper car. Alright guys, we are all loaded up for OSW. The car's in the trailer. It's so weird, I forgot I actually own the trailer, so like, very weird. Okay, Paul, I'm sorry. I've not driven on these wheels at all. They're not my wheels, they're Paul's. He's very antsy that he wants them back. It's okay. I'll bring them back to Brian's tonight. It'll be fine. I'm not gonna drift on them. I promise. I'll just have them on there because they have an impact with me. So when I get to the track, They'll come off, and I'll put them in the truck and be nice and careful. How could you do this to me? Yeah. How could you do this to me? How could you do this? Hey, hey, if you don't like Jippy, you're a bitch because Jippy's fire.
Whoa, hey, nope.
Bro, yeah, like, if you don't like Jippy, go away. God damn, it's pretty outside. Shit. Wild that way. So I haven't checked the oil in like a long time, and the oil is perfect, doesn't move, it's not low, it's not too high, it's exactly where I had it when I did the oil change like 2.5 events ago, which is crazy. Car's perfect, running good, just wild. Now I can change tires and go to the oval.
Here's his lowest gear. Yeah,
That alignment though. Shout out to Phillips. Always getting the best alignments ever. It is great. Hell yeah. Alright, so those last 2 runs I was on like some evergreen tire thingy and I didn't have much grip. I'm not gonna have much grip tonight, but I do have the Achilles 1, 2, 3s. I kinda wanna try those and see what happens. But right now I have the I have Hankook Ventus V12 Evo 2s at like 10 PSI. So I'm gonna see how that goes. If it goes well, I'll keep running them. If not, I'm not gonna run anymore. But then I'm gonna run the 1, 2, 3s if I feel like it. It's iffy because I can blow my trans and break a lot of stuff. So, but we'll see what happens. But I'm excited. The oval's always fun. The car feels great. It's getting a little hot. I forgot about my car getting hot. It doesn't get hot like quick, but it gets hot. It comes down faster. So, next thing I gotta do: fans, trans, done. Yeah, it rhymed, but cool. those last few runs were really good. That one run I messed up because I didn't know how much grip I was gonna have, and I was going and I entered on the bank. That was good, but like I started to feel myself drag away, and I was like, oh, I'm going too wide, and it messed my whole lineup. That's okay. The other ones are great. I'm stoked on it. I have like 8 different kinds of grip tonight, so it's really weird. But the car, like driving the oval, teaches you so much control, and it's sick. It's a lot of fun. But now I'm probably gonna show the rest of the night, and then just go home. But actually, pause. So Tyson's car blew up, and with the show him back to Claremont, so I'm driving the 240 back home. So yeah, that shit happens, but it's okay. The car's running good as always. Just getting a little bit hot. Not too bad, but it's okay. But we're doing good. But luckily I have Cam to show me here, and Tyson's gonna give a nice ride home so we can not stress about getting home. So yeah. But all in all, last event was just 3rd gear. Now I'm gonna go home, pull it out, rebuild it, get back to drifting, order fans, and then be done. So yeah. But that's not over yet. I'm just really tired, it's really foggy, I'm dead, so I'm just gonna walk around and do stuff. Alright, Tyson's all lit up on the trailer. His car blew up again. He's not doing any more RB stuff. He's going Jay-Z, which is the smartest thing ever because RBs suck. But yeah, it's a long night. I'm tired. We're going home. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys sometime soon. It's out of focus, but fuck it. Alright, bye.